Hello everyone. In this lesson, we'll learn contractions in English. Let's get started. The contractions with the verb to be. I am. I'm. You are. You're. He is. He's. She is. She's. We are. We're. They are. They're. Contractions with have. I have. I've. You have. You've. We have. We've. They have. They've. Contractions with has. Has and is have the same contractions. She has. She's. She is. She's. He has. He's. He is. He's. Contractions with will. I will. I'll. You will. You'll. He will. He'll. She will. She'll. We will. We'll. They will. They'll. The contractions with had and would. Would and had have the same short form. I would. I'd. I had. I'd. You would. You'd. You had. You'd. He would. He'd. He had. He'd. She would. She'd. She had. She'd. We would. We'd. We had. We'd. They would. They'd. They had. They'd. Negative contractions. Is not. Isn't. Money isn't everything. Are not. Aren't. You're coming tonight, aren't you? Was not. Wasn't. He wasn't very happy about the decision. Were not. Weren't. They weren't invited to the meeting. Do not. Don't. I don't have any updates. Does not. Doesn't. She doesn't enjoy her job anymore. Cannot. Can't. I'm afraid I can't stay long. Could not. Couldn't. I couldn't understand it. Must not. Mustn't. You mustn't allow strangers in. Should not. Shouldn't. You shouldn't criticize me all the time. Need not. Needn't. This needn't be kept in the fridge. Did not. Didn't. I didn't believe a word she said. Will not. Won't. I won't forget this time, I promise. Would not. Wouldn't. I wouldn't accept this offer if I were you. Has not. Hasn't. He hasn't studied hard enough. Have not. Haven't. They haven't done this before. Had not. Hadn't. I hadn't seen him for a long time. Other contractions. That is. That's. That's Harold over there. There is. There's. There's a good song on the radio. What is? What's? What's the matter with you? Where is? Where's? Where's the nearest bank? Who is? Whose? Who's going to do that?